I wanted to share with you a really cool idea today that you can actually take your bellicon trampoline or your bellicon rebounder and turn it into a daybed for about 50 bucks. So it's pretty simple. This right here is the bellicon rebounder, and I'll put that link below if you're not familiar. It's one of the best lymphatic drainage and joint health and circulation exercise devices, just having a mini trampoline. What's cool about it is my brother actually found this cover. This is called a Tapaze or something like that. It's a cover, and I'll get the exact link to this one. It's a 44-inch diameter around cover that completely covers the surface area of the bellicon, including the not springs, but bands, the bungee bands, and just sits over it. You can throw that on top, throw a blanket over that, like so. And the cool thing about it is that when you sit in here, it's incredibly soft and it has a nice give because the bungees give you that nice little, that little bounce, which is really nice. So it's super comfortable and it works incredibly well. And this top is like 50 bucks on Amazon. So you can make your bellicon rebounder a bellicon bed to kind of just sit and chill and hang out and lay out. And, depending on the size or the width or diameter of your bellicon, it can be bigger or smaller. But this is a pretty good size, and you can have two adults on here comfortably, sitting or laying next to each other, kind of looking out wherever your backyard is. So pretty cool idea. I'll link the bellicon below. It's my favorite rebounder, favorite exercise device. And then these comforts, these little covers are like 50 bucks on Amazon. So I'll link both of those up below. Easy way to make a bellicon daybed.